Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina. I'm always happy getting back to you. I'm here with another news, okay? And this news is about Nigerians in Ghana. I don't know why this set of people, this country called Nigeria, these people don't want to mind their business. Like in other people's country, you are in another person's country, but you decided to carry tribalism from your country and you are, displaying it in another man's land. This is not good. This is not good. It's not good. You can do your rubbish tribalism in Nigeria, but don't dare to bring it to another man's land. I'm telling you guys, can you imagine? We spoke about this fake Igbo king, I think, in the video I posted today, the first video I posted today, yeah. I made an example with him, I guess, yeah. You guys know exactly what happened, right? I think it's about 4 months. It was last year though, 4 to 5 months ago, if not more than that. Yes. So now, the Igbo people, yes, I'm going to play the video for you to see, okay? But I just want to explain something small before we can, watch the video together. So, an Igbo person came out just because some Yoruba people were celebrating. I don't know what they are celebrating. I think this guy, what's his name? That big brother Niger star that came, Faith, Dr. Faith. Yes, I think he paid a visit to the Yoruba king, blah, 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 in Kasua. That's how come a video came out. Okay, a video came out and the video started circulating around the internet. So this Igbo guy, I think this Igbo guy saw the video. That's when he came out and he was showing that Yoruba people also have their king in Ghana. So why are they stopping their Igbo king? And he was even telling us that nobody is supporting him with what he said. He want to build a kingdom, blah, blah, blah. Nobody is supporting that. But him being a king in Ghana, that they should allow him because Yoruba people also have their own king. Let's watch.
I'm making this video based on Yoruba bigotry. I'm making this video based on Yoruba's bigotry and hate against the Igbos. You people say Yoruba don't have a king. The Yoruba don't have a king in Ghana. And you people just were blinded to the hate you have for Igbos. So what is this? Look at this and tell me.
Have you seen your Lord Wayo? Ẹni mímọ́ funfun báláwo, àkàwé ò sí láyé lọ́run o. Ẹ ti ń bẹ, ẹ ó máa bẹ. Your Majesty.
So, brother, I want to ask you something. All right, we've heard what you said, but the thing is that have you ever, if not this time around that you saw videos circulating around the internet, have you ever seen them flaunting anything like the way you guys are doing? I never wanted to talk about any Igbo issue on my channel, but it's like, say, when no one us, may we drink water, keep cup, safe, I be, as you know, one piece. Now, so we go to carry problem, come for una. Make I tell you, it's like I'm talking too much, guys. Let me allow you watch the video and I'll be right back. Because of course I have something to say at the end of this video. Say, now something like this I love to talk about. Pepper them. I'm ready for una this time around. We go drag una. Abi, we shut up. You guys are thinking we are asleep, Abi. So I want to let you know that we are ready for you with all the strength. I did sick, but with the sickness, I will put you guys in your right place.
So you have seen the video, right? It's high time you all leave Igbos alone. Yorubas are the one instigating this hate against Igbos in Ghana. It's high time you all leave Igbos alone. And this message is going to all these content creators, both Nigerian content creators and the Ghanaian content creators in Ghana. Leave Igbos alone. We are not in support of Igbo man building a kingdom in Ghana. Aside of that, Igbo have every right to practice their culture, their heritage. We are not in support of any Igbo man building a kingdom in Ghana. But Igbo have the right to practice their tradition anywhere they go to. Aside of that, leave Igbos alone. I haven't seen any Ghanaian content creator talking about this Yoruba king in Kasua. I didn't see anything of such. So you people should leave Igbos alone. So,
Oga, I just want to ask you something. This Igbo guy, I just want to ask you something. I want to know, who are you referring to? Like, are you warning the Ghanaians, or who are you talking to? Like, who are you asking all these questions? Is it the Ghanaians, or you are asking us, the content creators in Ghana? I don't understand. So you brought the video so we can talk about it as what? Have you ever seen anybody complain about Yoruba person bragging or doing something. See, let me tell you something. Do you know during the fake Igbo King something, the whole thing, make I tell you, I search if I'm going to see Hausa kingdom or Yoruba kingdom. I did not see anything. That means those people, yes, this set of people are taking everything jeje, slow, slow. They know they rush. But you guys want to flaunt because you get money, you want flaunt, you want show, say, you get money, you've arrived. Now una character be that. And now waiting bring una down be that. That's what made people roast you guys like fried egg. Let me tell you. So nobody is stopping you from doing some shit. But if you're doing it calmly and you are taking it slow, nobody will drag you like this. Look at your fake Igbo king has already snapped picture with all the prominent people in Ghana. Ask me, have you ever seen Yoruba person snapping picture with the prominent people? That means in day they mind his business. He's there minding his business. Have you ever seen the Hausa leader, or should I say king, snapping picture with all those prominent people in Ghana? Have you ever seen? No, you've never seen. But because he have a motive, he have his reasons why of doing all these things. He wants snap pictures so that he can use the picture to deceive people. I'm just saying, allegedly. I'm just saying. I'm just using my brain because, of course, I have brain and it's functioning well. So allegedly, this is what I'm thinking because that's what normal person go do. Those people snapping picture with prominent people, what do they want to use it for? Is to brag now. Hey, I snap picture with Mahama. I snap picture with this. I snap picture with Ibrahim. I snap picture with President Obama and Donald Trump. I snap picture with them. You want to use it to deceive people so they will know, say that you are trustworthy. Now waiting, some of una they do be that. Well then, guys, just for you to know that these people have been celebrating their day, Yoruba Day in Ghana, but nobody has ever heard anything about it. They don't do announcement. They celebrate it within each other, like within themselves. They invite themselves that, okay, if you be Yoruba, you go know say Yoruba celebration day. It's not like these Igbo people, you guys want to invite everybody. You are even publishing it on social media, publishing it on, what is it called? On TV, they announce something. Hey, now waiting cast will not be that. So my advice for you guys is to calm down. Even though you get money, calm down. Calm down. No, they show. Now your money, nobody will collect them from your hand. You dey even they give money. With the money where you get, you they give money. I mean, when I shift, guys, take a look at the video of the celebrations Yoruba have been celebrating. They've been doing their Yoruba Day in Ghana, and nobody has ever heard about it. Now, this Igbo guy, we want come bring some rubbish tribalism.
Mr. Money Osho, Emi Omo Pe
Una don't carry una fight, una rubbish fight from Nigeria. You want can do one for where? You think say Ghanaians don't know say you these Igbo people and Yoruba na so una dey like 100. Una no dey gree for each other. You think say people don't know? Don't carry that shit and come here because we don't want to be affected. Let this issue just zip up. Let me tell you. Nobody is stopping you from doing your shit. But when you're doing it, do it calmly. Don't make other people feel intimidated or uncomfortable. That's just what they are requesting for. Have you ever seen Yoruba King on a convoy moving around? But what happened to your own? Convoy disturbing people around East Legon. And you have the right to come here and be mentioning names, saying this, that they should see. And we don't see. And this is what we have to say. These people are peaceful. Nobody has ever heard about them. They've been doing it for a long time. 1993. Look at it. I bet you guys have seen the video.
Yoruba Kingdom has been discovered in Kaswa. This is Oba of all Yoruba in Kaswa. Just like the Igbo Kingdom in Ghana. My people! He don't castle. Oh! Yoruba Kingdom has been discovered in Kaswa. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are fighting against the Igbo Kingdom, while the Yorubas also were in support on the media that yes, the Igbo Kingdom must go. The Igbo Kingdom must go. Ladies and gentlemen, just this hot afternoon, one of the Nyash task force tested this video to the Nyash president telling me that they have Yoruba Kingdom in Kaswa. Ladies and gentlemen, as I follow the video down to the comment section, a lot of the Yorubas are there supporting this kind of impunity. This kind of impunity on the comment section. And what they are saying is that the Yoruba Kingdom is not dangerous. The Yoruba Kingdom is not dangerous like the Igbo Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let's ask this question to these Nigerians. Can you tell me one Ghana Kingdom, one Ewe Kingdom, one Ga Kingdom, one Asante Kingdom, one Fanti Kingdom, one Dagomba Kingdom in that Nigeria there? What kind of nonsense is this? You wake up from your country to another man's country and come there to build a kingdom. Then you? Are you here for business or you are here for kingship? Ladies and gentlemen, not every content creator and every blogger who spoke against the Igbo Kingdom should also speak against this Yoruba Kingdom. We won't take this in this country. What makes the Igbo Kingdom dangerous and what makes the Yoruba own not dangerous? Is this not discrimination against tribes? Were the Igbo Kingdom sacrificing human beings? No! You won't tolerate such nonsense in this country. What is all this? What is all this going on in this country? Don't we have leaders to control this kind of people in this country? What is all this? Nigeria as a country is becoming parasites in the whole world. They are parasite people. Because they have destroyed their country, nobody wants to go to that country because nothing good in that country. For somebody to go there and establish, because nothing good is in that country. They have destroyed their country with Olosho. They have destroyed their country with bandits. When you step there now, they'll kidnap you. Two people don't want to go there to do anything there in their country, and they are tripping in their numbers, depositing their balapes in different countries, and they are causing atrocity and impunity. Ladies and gentlemen, what kind of nonsense is this? This nonsense must stop now. This Yoruba nonsense must stop now. Anyway, I go by the name Inyash President, and I continue to be #1 president all over the world. Anyway, power to the Nyash. This nonsense must stop.
Yoruba people no suppose they talk if Igbo people they talk. See as Yoruba community, this one not be village. Oh. This is capital city of Ibadan. Are you seeing how capital city be? After Yoruba people go come, they talk say Igbo people na them be problem for Nigeria. Yoruba people, they not suppose they talk if Igbo people they talk. Yoruba people now they see Igbo village. Now they see villages for Igbo land. No be city like Ibadan will be this place. So I beg if you come across with this video, you go understand say na jealousy na be wetin dey be Yoruba people. Watch Yoruba land, the capital city of Ibadan. That's it be. Like we go to the state. After any small thing, Yoruba people go come outside say, Omo Igbo. Share this video so that Yoruba people go see how their village, how their city, how their state look like. After they come, they claim ownership for Lagos. They say, na Igbo people na then develop Lagos.
Guys, enough of the talk. I'm getting more upset. I just want to take a chill and do... Let me just relax because I'm not feeling well. I have to take my medicine. Yeah, when I drop this, I'll just take my medicine and sleep, okay? So everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from me. I love you guys. Sorry, I forgot to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel. Like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you all of you. I love you, especially those ones that will share this video. I love you double. Go. Bye.